This is the stomach, the liver, and the heart. All are normal. Okay? Pakinggan natin yung heartbeat. So your baby's heartbeat, fast and strong. Normal yung heart rate niya. Yung mga buto ni baby are at par with age. Ibig sabihin, tugma sa edad. Yung size ng bones. Tapos yung mga daliri sa paa. Yan. And kamay are complete. 5 on each side. Sa likod is the spine. From the lower back hanggang sa batok is intact. Walang gaps. Wala din siyang bukol sa likod. Okay? Ito yung head ni baby and inside the skull. Inside the skull is the brain. Pantay yung right and left hemispheres. There are no masses. Walang excess fluid inside. No sign of hydrocephalus. Both lenses are clear, no cataract. Yung palat or yung ngalangala ni baby is intact as well as the upper lip. Ito yung upper lip niya. Okay, yung labi. Buo naman. So, no cleft lip, no cleft palate. Yung gender ni baby, your placenta is anterior, nasa ibabaw, malayo sa cervix. So, safe yung location, yung panabigan mo normal. Okay? So, for the gender, tamba. Your baby's gender. Oh, very good. Very good yung gender ni baby. Hihi. Suspense. Gusto ko nang mas magandang baby. Sige naman. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, ito yung gender ni baby. And your baby, mas maganda yun. Ito na lang. And your baby is a baby boy. Okay? Ito yung penis niya, ito yung scrotum. Okay? Baby, ba't parang ayaw mong baby? Sabi ni ma'am. Okay? So, it's a baby boy. Ayan o. Dito naman. It's the balls and the penis. Okay? Baby boy. So, your congenital anomaly scan is normal. Yung laki and yung timbang ni baby, normal for age. And he's a boy. Congratulations!
Thank you po.